everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Benedicta, but you can call me Benny for short. I know I'm always looking like this because I'm always at home and I don't have anywhere to go. My husband is making a call and he is talking on top of his voice as if he's the only one in the house. Babe. Oh my god. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Benedicta, but you can call me Betty for short. Today's video I am going to do some cooking. I'm going to cook some goat jollof rice. Yes, yay! I hope you're happy. But there's a disclaimer. It's not a tutorial, or it's not necessary, or it's not by force to follow this procedure. This is how I cook my goat jollof rice. So if you look at it and you want to follow the procedure, fine. So yeah, you can try it, but I know it's going to taste very nice. So you can follow the steps, or you can do what you used to do. Yeah, so if you are new on my channel, I say thank you for watching this video, and if you are a returning subscriber, I say thank you. I'm always grateful for you always coming back to watch my video. So if you want to see how I prepare my goat jollof, yes, stay tuned. With the goat, this is my saucepan, this is my goat, this is my grounded pepper, this is my garlic, ginger and onions. That's for the goat. I'm just mentioning the ingredients for the goat. Yeah, this is my salt, this is my chopped onions, this is my powder. I like to add extra powder ginger, so this is the ginger powder. This is oregano. No, this is garlic. It's left with just a little garlic powder. This is hot chili powder. Yeah, and yeah, I think that is all for the goats. Let's get started. So I'm washing my goats under running water. Yeah, so I have finished washing the first set. I'm going to wash the second time. So I wash it like 2 times. I wash it single, then later I put all together and then wash it again. Yeah, so everything is in now. I have my goat, I have my garlic, ginger and onion blended in it. I have my oregano, I have my black pepper, I have my chili powder pepper, I have my garlic powder, I have my ginger powder, and I have my oregano, if I've mentioned, and my chopped onions. Yeah, so all on the meat. And there's no water. I didn't pour water in it. This is the water from the goat, so I'm going to use that to cook it, and then if I need more water, I will top it up with it. So I cover it and let it steam for about 5 minutes. Then if I want to add some water to it, I do. Definitely I'm going to add water to it, no lie. Yeah, look at my husband. Is that Tuma? So he was in the kitchen trying to fry some pancake, and he used cheese instead of butter. Can you use cheese to fry pancake? Please let me know in the comment section, but I don't think so. So here's some butter. Babe, use some butter. So he has put cheese in the pancake. So So guys, this is how it's looking. I have tossed it a little. I'm going to toss it again, leave it for 5 minutes, and then add some water to it. Oh wow, I think the goat has already produced its own juice. I feel like the goat is very hard to chew, so I'm going to add a little water to it to cover the goat. I'm not going to add a lot. I'm just going to add another water just to cover the goat. Yeah, so this is the second water. Yeah, and we are done. We are done. So cover it and let it do its magic. To fry it, so I have my little wok frying pan here. So after some hours, I try to see if it's soft. Yeah, it's a little bit soft. So here I'm going to turn off the goat and fry it. I'm also going to use it for the stew, for the jollof. So I don't have to let it be too soft. So when I add it and I'm cooking it with the jollof, it becomes a little bit softer. I pressed it and it's, yeah, I like the way it is. So I'm going to fry it in this wok. Yeah, it's like a frying pan and a wok at the same time. So I'm very hot. Oh gosh, this kitchen is very hot. Okay, so I haven't started my jollof rice because I'm going to use that same oil that I used in frying my goat to start my tomato base for my jollof. I'm also going to add the goat. I'm going to fry it and add it to the stew or the base for my jollof. That is why I haven't. So that is why I haven't started the jollof. There are so many things that goes into my jollof, so these are what goes into it. So this stay tuned and have fun. So stay tuned and have fun with me cooking my good jollof rice. So as you can see, I'm frying my goat. It's splashing. It's splashing, so I need to get far away from this thing.
A few moments later.
So I am done frying my goat. Yeah, I'm done frying my goat. So I have my oil here and I have my stock here. So I'm about to start the jollof. So with my jollof, I'm going to use rice. Obviously, I'm going to use pepper, ginger, garlic, and onion, tin tomato. This is the sachet big tomato paste. Yeah, and my onions, my carrot. I realized it was a lot, so I just used like I think 2.5, and my green pepper or bell pepper, my rosemary, my curry powder, my bay leaf, and shrimp cube. Shrimp. Oh. Yeah, my shrimp cube. So I'm not going to use salt because normally I use my stock for, yeah, I put a lot of salt in my stock. That's my good stock. So I use it instead of water. So I'm not going to use salt. I'm going to just use this Maggi cube, and that will be it. So let's get started. So I'm going to start cooking my jollof in this. One thing I like about this cooking utensil or pot is that it does not stick. So that's what I mostly like cooking my food that is likely to stick in this particular pot or utensil. Yes, so now I'm going to start with my jollof rice. I use the same oil I use for the goat. For the jollof, I poured a little from this and I pour some in here. So I'm going to start with it. So let's get started already. Started by adding my curry powder and my rosemary into the oil. I saw this on someone's page, so I said let me try it out. Why not try it out? Okay, yeah, so let's see how it turns. But I'm going to use my normal way of cooking my jollof rice, but this is something new that I'm going to use. So right now I'm going to add my onions to it. I told you I'm using one hand to do everything, so let me put the phone down and start putting in the onions. Okay, so now I have added my tin tomato. I'm going to stir it and then add my bay leaves. Adding my bay leaves to it. Yeah. I've also ended up adding my carrots to it. I only use tin tomato. I don't use fresh tomato for my jollof rice, so I can have the color come out very nice. Yeah, I just added some white pepper and 1 cube. I'm going to stir it. Yeah, so I'm going to add my goat at this point. So let me do that. Yeah, so I've added in the goat meat. I've added a little bit of garlic, ginger, and onion. When I put it this way, it's so tasty. I bet you. I was supposed to put it in before the goat, but I forgot. But anyways, it's going to taste the same. So I'm going to stir this and then get ready for my rice and stock. So I have added the stock at this stage. So this is how my stew is looking. Yeah. So I'm going to add my rice and be back. Rice is in, and oh my goodness. Okay, so the rice is in now. So you turn your stove or your fire low and then cover it to cook. Yeah, so we come back when it's getting ready. Yeah, so I'm going to wash these dishes as the jollof rice is on fire, and I told you in my previous video because I'm going to edit that one. So if you haven't watched it yet, tips of how to clean your kitchen whilst cooking, I'll put the link or something up here so you can watch. So I'm going to clean this. This is all I have to clean, so that's what I'm going to do. And also, you always put your spices or anything that you used after using in the fridge or wherever you took it from. So that's what I have done, and so I don't have anything here. I'm just going to clean this and clean some parts of the sinks and get back to you. So guys, this is it. Like, I'm going to stir it because you can see from the side there is no water in this. It's only the stock. I don't like using water in my jollof because, oh my goodness, I don't like using water in my jollof because I feel like by the time you finish using the water, all the taste would have left or gone. I don't even know where it goes to. So yeah, it's only stock and maybe the little rice, the little water from the rice I washed, that will be in there, but it's all stock. Stock, nothing more, nothing less, only stock. So I only use the good stock for, if I'm using chicken, I use chicken stock. If I'm using any other meat, I use the stock. So unless maybe fish, yeah. So yeah, that is all stock. So I'm going to turn it and then we'll come back when it's ready. Okay, so this is how the jollof is looking. I want the water to go down a little, then I use a clean napkin to cover it. So yeah, I'll come back, and the next time I come to check it, I'll use a clean napkin to cover it so that it will cook well and every water in it will just absorb the napkin. So I've put a clean napkin on it. I'm going to cover it very well, and then because I don't want it to catch fire, I'll bring this part on top. So this is how it's going to look like. Yeah, you always have to use a clean napkin. Then when it's ready, guys, I will just show you. I'm so tired at the moment, so yeah, when it's ready I'll let you know. Hi fam, so we are done. Ta-da! That is how our jollof is looking. So nice. So guys, we are done with this jollof, or if I should say Ghana jollof. We are done. Like, we are done with this jollof, and this is how it's looking. Yummy, yummy. This is how it's looking. Ghana jollof. So tasty, so yummy. Okay fam, we are done with this good jollof rice. If you like videos like this, let me know in the comment section below, and let me also know how you cook your jollof rice. Yes, let me know. I also want to know the tips and hear what you use in cooking your jollof rice. So if you like videos like this, like I said previously, yeah, let me know, and like it, share it if you have to, and see you in my next video. Bye.
On this journey we will find our souls begin to intertwine. Your heart of gold, so pure, divine, and I lost myself